So our studio is located in Plymouth. You can see our sign right out there on the pylon. So when you come to the doors, there's two sets to this area. When you come to it, the ones that are closest to the pylon is the ones that you want to go to. And it's just a short walk to our studio. And when you walk into our studio, the first thing you're going to see is our station for sanitation. If people forget their masks, we have them in that pink little container right there. And then we have a sign-in sheet so that we can collect contact information should we need to give out that information anyways. Then what you see is our product display wall. This product display wall are items that are featured in the full line catalog. They are not for purchase on site. However, they are meant to give a person the ability to look and feel and understand how the product works before they actually purchase it. We have our current sale items. This is the Keep tabs that just started today on display as well, so that if people would like to order it and have it shipped directly to their homes, they may. And then we have the Confident Start wall. So when people join Tupperware, they have 13 weeks to be able to earn the items that you see on the wall over here. We have a wonderful manager in our company. Her name is April. She actually earned everything that you see here, including the pots and pans, in a little bit less than 13 weeks. Tupperware also gives the ability for people who are director level and above to earn a car. I have had a car from Tupperware since 2015. I currently drive a 2020 Acadia, and that is open to everybody who is a director and above. So those are some of the incentives from Tupperware. To help with the holiday shopping needs, we have some items that are available for stock to be sold. Tupperware is trying out a new initiative where we are able to sell out of the studio the items that we have. It's easier for people if they don't want to be frustrated to call ahead to see if the item that we have or that they're looking for is something that we have. So that way we can make sure that we have whatever they're looking for. Plus that way it adheres to the COVID standards because we know you're coming. This is our front display that goes out to the parking lot. So you can see that it is very well displayed. We're right behind the Plymouth Ramada on 494 and 55. And then we do have a full kitchen. So pre-COVID, we would do events where people would be able to cook and share information with their friends. And then the hosts would be able to get free and half off Tupperware as a result. And it's a full functioning kitchen. I will be honest, because of all of our tools that you see right here, these are our microwave tools. These items are the ones that are used the most in our demonstrations because they are really the most innovative. The number one thing that Tupperware loves to be able to do is help families be able to eat healthy meals very quickly, very fast, and efficiently, because nobody has time for anything anymore. They don't have time to go and transition from their work from home to help their kids in social distancing to go to the kitchen. It feels like overwhelming at times. So to be able to know that I can put something that would normally take 6 to 8 hours in a crock pot into my pressure cooker and get it done in less than 20 minutes, that's something that eases a lot of stress out of my life and the life of many people within the world. So my ask for you is to share with your friends, your family, and yourself the ability for people, if they are looking for holiday gift ideas that are meant to last a lifetime, that Tupperware can be a solution. Every single day I hear the phrase Tupperware. I didn't know that still existed. Well, our stock went up 43% over last year's same quarter. We exist. And in the time of COVID, a lot of people are using their Tupperware more than ever because they are cooking from home, they are having those family meals, and then they need to be able to store things. And when people think of Tupperware, when I thought of Tupperware when I was a kid, I thought it was the bell tumblers and the bowls. Now we know that that is not necessarily the case. We have the microwave tools, we have the ability to store things within our dry goods as well. So I want to thank you for taking this time to check out the Tupperware Studio of Infinite Shine. and I look forward to you stopping by.